Dongguan Baraway Industry Company Limited was founded in 2005 and is a manufacturer specializing in the design and production of premium handbags and lifestyle accessories. Our collections include handbags, backpacks, purses, cosmetic bags, travel and sports bags, and selected lines for mothers and babies and pets. Based in Dongguan, our modern manufacturing facility spans 8,500 square meters and is supported by a skilled team of over 200 professionals, with a monthly production capacity of up to 200,000 pieces. We combine scale with craftsmanship to deliver consistently high-quality products for international markets. Quality, responsibility, and attention to detail are at the heart of everything we do. Our production processes meet recognized international standards. We are certified by GRS, BSCI, and Intertech, ensuring ethical manufacturing, traceability, and quality assurance in line with European market expectations. Baraway products are trusted by clients across Europe, North America, and Australia. We work closely with fashion brands, retailers, and designers, offering OEM and ODM services with a strong focus on bespoke development, refined design execution, and efficient collaboration. With over 2 decades of experience in the fashion handbag industry, we are highly skilled in working with a wide range of materials and constructions, from genuine leather to premium fabrics and innovative sustainable materials. This versatility allows us to translate creative concepts into well-crafted market-ready products with confidence. Whether you are developing a new collection or refining an existing design, our team is ready to support you with tailored sourcing solutions, technical expertise, and a commitment to excellence.